learn about shape. I would like the word shape here. Shape. Shape. This is the word shape. Okay. We have here. Rectangle. Sorry. Rectangle. A little smaller. It's not too rectangle is bit easy, but it's little. Okay. What shape is this? This shape is a circle. It's not look like a circle. The circle needs to be round, like this. Be very round like a circle. This is called a circle. What's this? A square, triangle, and this is the rectangle. Okay, we can have small circle. We can have big circle. Circle need to be round. Oh, round. This. Circle. Circle need to be round. That called a circle. If the circle have been stretched out, like I will tell you something. Like no. Okay, I don't have things to show you. This is the circle. We straight out like this. So if we pull out, we straight, we will make like this. That means it looks like this. Is this a circle? It's round, right? But it's not so round. So it has been stretched. It has been stretched and it has been pulled out. So this is called an oval. This is not a circle. Only this is a circle. Circle need to be round, and some circle have been small. Okay. Next shape. What shape is this? This is a square. We have square.
Until an end.
Fall left. Square. Fall left.
Hai bạn ai tiếp học tiếp đi.
Like that. This is a square. But if we stretch out the square will a bit more. If we have a square, we stretch out a square. A square will be like that. Like here. I have a here. So, I know. I have a square like, okay, no. I have a square like this. I have a square, right? This is a square. If I stretch out more like this, it will make a. Is this a square more? No, it's bigger. It will be a rectangle. So that means this is not a square. This is a rectangle. The square have four legs. The rectangle have four legs too. But the square have four legs equal. But the rectangle not have four legs equal like the square. The square have four legs equal, but the rectangle have two legs equal and two legs equal like that. So is this a square? Is this a square? No. This is a rectangle. So we learned about rectangle yesterday. We will come to a triangle. Triangle. This is the triangle, right? We have three left. We have three left. But if we stretch this triangle, can it make a triangle? Yes. Everything. We strike the circle, we will make an oval. We strike the square, we will make a rectangle. But we can strike the rectangle because if we stretch the rectangle, it still be a rectangle. But if the triangle stretch, what shape that the triangle can make? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? If this triangle have been stretched out like this, it still be a triangle. It will do like this. Here, you see, it still be a triangle. But this called a triangle stretch because it have been stretched. But it's still called a triangle. Okay. Now, I will let you start some problem with this. Let you start. This is some problem. I want you to read the problem.
Con,
If
ra
you
học tiếp
want
đi.
to see the problem,
Ra bật học tiếp đi.
be three problem.
Nên tên là biết bạn nào đâu.
Bật tiếp.
Bạn gì?
Cứ bật tiếp là được.
This is one problem. This is the next problem. This is the next problem. We have two problems. Can you do two problems for me? I have this problem. I will say this problem first. In this problem, we need to find a square, but I don't know where is a square because I see we have two squares. Who can be the square now? This is the problem. Can you help me? Where is the square? Yes, this is the square. So circle the square. I can circle like this. Next, the next problem. Here I have four shapes, but I need to find a circle. I know that the circle is around, but two of these is around. What can be the circle? Can you tell me? Help me this problem. What can be a circle? This will be a circle because this circle have been very round, like this. Very round, like this. This circle is called circle. But if this is a circle, we strap out a little. It will make so the right is the circle. I will take here. No, sorry. I will write here. Okay. So the circle, this is the circle. This circle is right. I have one more problem in here. Can you find me a triangle? This looks like a triangle, but why are two triangles? I want to find This one is right. Now this one white. But this is a triangle. This is two triangle. We can call it triangle too. But no. This is not a triangle. I just fuck you. This is not a triangle. This is a triangle. Someone